Good morning, everyone. This is Teasha. Welcome back to Teasha's TV. So, happy Sunday, everyone. As you know, I'm outside enjoying this beautiful sunlight. For everybody, a foreigner that wants right now. So, today I'll be cooking up a storm. As Jamaican would say, when you cook more than one meat, they call it storm. So, yeah. So, if you want to know what I cook, follow me. So remember guys, if this is your first time watching, please do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, to Teasha's TV. So today I'll be preparing some jerk chicken which was already seasoned. Blend with your fresh green season. So put all of your green season them in your blender, blend them up together. Season your chicken, leave it to marinate for overnight or for a couple hours. Also, I'll be doing some curry cow foot. Yeah, curry cow foot. So if it's your first time or you never know what cow foot can curry, stay tuned. So here I have with me my grater coconut, well grater, country. Supposed to like gone, you have to learn how to grate a coconut. Also, I have here my peas. Put on away upon the coconut juice to go inside. As Jamaican would say, we sink the peas. So guys, if you want to jerk chicken and don't know how to, just get a grill, put it on the fire, which was already catch. So if you don't know how to catch so check out my previous videos. So if you want to learn how to jerk chicken, stay tuned. Ensure that the fire is not high, because if it is too high, then the chicken will go burn up. If you want it low flame, so you can cook properly and take in all the seasoning. Then, so now let me put some jerk. This is not a big grill, so I am just gonna go two at a time. Here we go. Just like that. Oh my god. You know, the phone and Teasha make my motor run water. So, yeah. I'm just gonna do two at a time because it's just 4 quarters. And I am going to add a foil paper over it for it to steam. So we can get all of the steam there. And get some pot from out of your kitchen and into your cupboard. Leave it there. And then this is how you're going to get your Jamaican jerk chicken. So the pot for the cow food, for the curry cow food, is ready. So I'm just going to add some garlic to the pot. And as I stated before, if you love garlic, oh my god, you can just imagine. Normally I would have had curry to it, but because I've already had curry to this, you can't add too much curry because you will get a bitter taste there. So now I am going to add the cow food to the pot. Going to cover it for about 10 minutes, the seasoning, the marinating it, then I'm going to add some water to it for it to pressure. I feel like cook down cow foot or if you cook it from scratch go right down, it's really hard. So with this case, you definitely have to use a pressure cooker. So stay tuned and continue to watch me. Okay, so here is my coconut juice or coconut milk. Bear in mind this is more than one coconut. So now it's time to sink the peas. So I'm going to pour my coconut milk inside and sink the peas. Okay guys, so now it's time to check on the jerk chicken before it's a one. Yeah, it's a low flame. Not a lot, so you don't want them burn up. I had to remove some of the coal from it because there's too much. So I'm just turning it. I might have to put back some coal in it because fire seems like it will go down. So stay tuned and continue to watch what I want. Okay guys, so now it's time to add the seasoning to the rice pot, the pea pot. You can always add a piece of ginger if you wish. Pepper, do not burst the pepper. And a pimento. You can add some pimento seeds. I'll add that later. And I always cut up my scallion. So I'm going to give this to about 10 more minutes to boil, and then I'm going to add in my rice.
Yeah.
So Nikki the boat, right? Nikki now left my foot right through.
As a
from the
taster. Oh, again. We go so and send for the body chef.
right through.
One chef Teasha made.
Nikki says she never knows say jerk chicken could have been done like this, and she never knows say you can catch full stove with cooking a like fresh ever see it. So guys, remember, not a lot of fire because it's gonna get burned up. Always cover it and let it soak. So stay tuned, continue to watch what I got. Okay guys, so now it's time to add in the rice to the pea pot. The whole stove already turned down. So just remember say, once you cook rice outside, the fire have to low or else, you know. I'm going to leave this rice now to steam, and always ensure that your water is 1 inch above your rice. Stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so now it's time for the coracle foot. It's already pressured, so I'm going to remove it from this part to the next part so I can cook it down in a different pot. Yes. So now I am going to add my seasoning to this pot and let it cook. Lastly, I'm going to add the broad bean or butter bean and my sweet pepper. So I'm going to leave this to cook pretty. So guys, stay tuned and watch what I go on, because I know it's a long time if I want to eat cow foot. Alright, first I'm going to see the curry cow foot. whole foot is finished. So I'm going to add some raw bean to it. And then I'm going to let it stay for 2 minutes. Take it off, and then I'm going to add my sweet pepper or bell pepper to it. So you see that in there. Done. Okay, so the jerk chicken is ready. Jerk chicken is ready now. Let's see. The aloo is set. Get your jerk. Okay guys, I'm just waiting on the rice to steam now. Then I'm going to share your dinner. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is my vegetable. I'll be also doing some stir-fry pork choy. So, okay guys, so now I'm at the farm. You say eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Straight from the farm. From the farm to the pot. So from the farm to the pot. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the rice and peas is now finished. So you can remove all the seasons from it, like the thyme, door, the ginger. You can also remove the pepper. Well, Shelly and nice. Oh my, nicey. So now I am going to share dinner. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so dinner is ready. So now it's time for me to share. Thank you guys for watching Teasha's TV. So continue to stay tuned, like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell a friend, it's Teasha's TV.